Hello friends, welcome to Tell's World Recipes. Today we bring you a delicious and very fresh dish. We're going to prepare a Mexican Salpicón de res. Salpicón is a shredded beef salad. This is in Mexico, and the word salpicón comes, if we translate it to English, it means splash. In Old Spain and France, it would be used as sprinkle with salt. The history of salpicón dates back to the 1700s, especially around coastal Spain, where they would make the salpicón by mixing meats or fish with vegetables, fruits, etc. The version we're making is the Mexican version. A salpicón has different meanings around Latin America. For example, if you go to Colombia, salpicón means more like a fruit cocktail salad. Or in Nicaragua, it's a big piece of stewed beef with some carrots and onions, etc. I think you're going to love this recipe. This salad is special for this summer weather, and I'm going to show you how to make it. So let's get cooking. The ingredients we're going to need is 1.65 pounds of flank steak or any beef that you can shred, 4 tomatoes, a quarter of a white onion, half a purple onion, half a lettuce, 2 bay leaves, the vinegar, whatever vinegar you like. We use pickle jalapenos, avocado to garnish, some olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, and to serve some tostadas. We're going to start by preparing our meat. In a pressure cooker, I'm going to add my meat, my quarter of a white onion, my 2 bay leaves, and we're going to season with some salt and pepper. We're using flank steak, which is perfect for this recipe, but you can also use a chuck pot roast or a London broil. Now we're going to cover it with water. Now we're going to cover a pressure cooker, and we're going to cook it for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, we're only going to take our meat out, and don't discard this broth. You can use it for other recipes. It's delicious. Now using 2 forks, we're going to shred all our beef. Now to prepare the rest of our ingredients, we're going to take our Roma tomatoes and we're going to cut them into thin slices. Then we're going to cut them into strips. You can also cut them into squares if you want. I just like them in strips. We're going to do the same thing with our purple onion. If you don't like purple onion, you can use a white one or a yellow. And lastly, our lettuce leaves, we're going to cut them into 1-inch thick pieces and then into squares. In a bowl, we're going to add our onion first, and this is a step I like to do. I like to do a quick pickle with our vinegar. In my case, I'm using the vinegar from our pickled jalapenos that we're going to add as garnish, but you can also use apple cider vinegar red wine vinegar, or even white vinegar. It's your choice. We're going to season a little bit with salt and pepper. And then we're going to add our olive oil. We're going to mix everything, and giving that quick pickle to the onions gives this dish a really good flavor. And by using the vinegar from the pickled jalapenos, it gives it a little bit more tangy taste. After our quick pickle, it's time to add our beef. And we're going to start mixing it with the onions so the meat starts soaking a little bit of that vinegar. Lastly, we're going to add our sliced tomatoes and our lettuce. Now it's time to combine everything, and this salpicón is almost done. This is looking delicious and my mouth is watering. To serve, in my case, I'm going to prepare some tostadas. So we're going to take a little bit of our salpicón and put it on top of the tostada. Some people like to put refried beans at the bottom. I'm just going to leave it classic. Make sure you get a little bit of everything. To top it off, some of those pickled jalapenos. And lastly, a couple of slices of avocado to top it off. Our tostada looks amazing. Our beef salpicón is ready, and it's smelling fantastic. In this case, I prepared a tostada, but you can eat it on its own. So let's try it. This. So good, so refreshing, and using the vinegar from the pickled jalapenos, it's an excellent idea, even though you can use whatever vinegar you like. It's very healthy, and I think your kids are gonna love it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and so you don't miss any videos, click on the bell to get notifications. Leave us your comments and request any recipe you would like to see in our channel. And if you enjoyed this video, help us giving us a like. Don't forget to see our stores in YouTube and Amazon, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. We'll see you next time.